In front of me is Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on Hotspot and Connections. Then scroll all the way down to click on Printing. Select the default print service or any other service you have, and after tapping on it, just make sure that this switcher is green. Then wait. Your device is looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!